So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Blink camera loading recording slowly, cache, sync and network speed. Fix 1 is clear the app cache. In Android, long press the Blink app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage, then select clear cache. In iOS, navigate to setting on your iPhone, then select journal from the iPhone. Then tap on iPhone storage, then locate and select the Blink app. Choose offload app to clear data while retaining account setting. Reinstall the Blink app afterward. Second fix is check your network upload speed. Blink camera need a minimum upload speed of 2 Mbps per camera. So download speed are irrelevant for loading recording. Conduct a speed test on your phone near the camera location. If the upload speed is below 2 Mbps, the network cannot process video files efficiently. Third fix is verify signal strength in the app. Open the Blink app, then tap the 3 slider icon above your camera thumbnail. Then tap general setting, device status, then look at the camera to Wi-Fi and camera to sync module. Fourth fix is change video quality to save mode. Open the Blink app and navigate to device setting, then select video and photo setting. Change video quality from best to save. Fifth fix is perform a hard system reset. Unplug the power cable from the router for 60 seconds, then reconnect it. Unplug the power cable from the sync module for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. Remove the batteries from the camera for 30 seconds, then reinsert them. Thanks for watching.